Alright, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. If today is your first time you are coming to the channel, I say very big welcome to you. Trust me on this one. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button to enable you notified whenever we upload new video. You know what I mean? As a matter of fact, if you are also, a returning subscriber, come on, don't forget to copy the link and share to others. Okay. Real quick, we want to just do this. Today, what do we have? We say we have Fashion Fair Cream, the tube. I've said something some while ago about this tube, but the question keep popping up. Should I use it or not use it? Like, he give this, he give that. The truth is, all the tubes you see, most of them they are steroid. Alright? They are steroid and all that are clobetasol propionate. You know what I mean? And it's not more than I think should be 0.05 grams of it. You know? So like, and when you ask me should I use it or not use it, we all know steroid and clobetasol. They how they work. You know, come on. These are specifically designed to treat some certain infections, right? Also, not just some certain infection, but also to lightening the skin also. So, if you don't know, this is one of them. All right. So among the things it does like also whitening. You can always use it can on when you're making a Muslim or a face cream, right? What you were supposed to do just to take it and then apply to where the affected area, like place we have like infections like eczema, melasma. You know, let me see. We have a couple of them be written also. Okay, you know, yeah, like as I said, eczema, you know, melasma, and a lot more. You know, so you can always just rub it. But aside that, for those of us who want to use it to premix, it's good for face cream. That is where I'm going to. It's good for face cream very well. Like some time ago, I always use this. You understand? Not until I find out on some advanced tubes, right? So if you're looking for the right tube to make your face light or white, you can always use this Fashion Fair. The only thing that gonna make it not to work is when it's all when it's fake, right? When it's not original. That's the only way it's not gonna work. All right, and it's not steroid, but clobetasol propionate, and it's just only 0.05 in it we have in here. So please, this is what you can always use for your face, you know, when making a face. This should be part of it when you're making a face cream, right? You should use this one. So people, they prefer using gels and all that. Please, 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 for the sake of tomorrow, I won't say stop using gel. You can use gel, but should be a little bit minimal, right? Not just, you know, gel. The gel is more quicker in action and more effective, yes, but for the sake of tomorrow, when you get to 50s, when you get to 60s, 70, and all that, y'all gonna look like some old woman, like, you know, from some old places that we don't talk about right now. You hear me? But so I just advise you to use this and use it wisely, not gel. All right. So when you're using it, I think you should consider one should be okay. One should be okay. Don't say, oh, I just want to make my lotion, my face cream white, blah blah blah. Those are just excuses. It's just gonna do what it had to do. That's all. You don't need to go much about using it. Put all of it now. If you want to use it to treat some inflammatory skin infection, all that, fine. You can just apply to those spots we have, those, you know, whatever y'all want to treat, fine. But aside that, now you want to use it on your cream, on your face cream, please just be careful. I will always tell you the truth, not because it just made a review of this. It's a good one. I'm gonna use this, and then you use it, you misuse it. Y'all know what's gonna happen when you get to 50s, and you're gonna look like some paid old woman, right? So I wouldn't want you to, because I see people who are 50s, but they still look like 30s. So I want to be one of those, not those who look like 100 while they are 50s, you know? Some have face, terrible face, and all that. So I don't want you to look like none of those. So use wisely. I always tell you about this. Use wisely. Don't give it out. It works. That's why they didn't pay me any dime. They didn't pay me. I'm just saying from experience, all right? So go get yours. The only way it's not going to work is when it's fake. So how do you get the original? You can always, via the number on your screen, you can always talk to us on WhatsApp. We're there for you. Remember, we ship everywhere, worldwide, baby. You know what I mean? Worldwide, you know. Asia, Europe, you know, Canada, UK, US, you know, just name it. We ship everywhere, you know. And I told you, don't forget, we also sell heads also. We have where we sell hairs also. So if you want to buy weave-ons, Brazilian hairs, you know, any of those hair you want to get them, we always get them to you also. You know what I mean? Don't forget. Stay tuned until I come your way next time. I remain Austin Global. Bye bye.